One of my most favorite things to do outside of playing bedside in hospice and healthcare facilities, I also get to take my harp into special needs classrooms. And the two that I frequently visit are Alice Drive Middle School and Sumter High School, both here in Sumter County. And you know, when you see a harp and a harpist that comes along with it, you just expect to hear, you know, just some beautiful lyrical music that is very reverent. But then there's this harpist that goes into the special needs classrooms, and we crank out the Wheels on the Bus, and we crank out some Katy Perry and maybe some Beyonce, and they act like I am a five-piece rock band. And I feel like a movie star when I'm there with them. And they sing with so much enthusiasm, and nothing stands in their way. Nobody's embarrassed. Nobody is afraid. It is just a time to rejoice and not even realize that they are any different from anybody else at that school.
There's a boy who works at Starbucks who is very inspirational. He is very inspirational because of many things. I come in at 8:11 and he smiles and says, "How are you?" When he smiles and says, "How are you?" I could swear my heart grows wings. So today at 8:11, I decided I should meet him. I decided I should meet him in a proper, formal way. So today at 8:11, when he smiled and said, "How are you?" I said, "Fine, and my name's Kipper." And he softly answered, "Hey." And I said, "My name is Kipper, and thank you for the extra foam." And he said his name was Taylor, which provides the inspiration for this poem. Taylor, the latte boy, bring me Java, bring me joy. Oh, Taylor, the latte boy, I love him, I love him, I love him. So I'd like to get the nerve up to recite my poem musical. He would like the fact it's musical because he plays guitar. So today at 8:11, Taylor told me he was playing in a band down in the village in the basement of a bar. And he smoothly flipped the lever to prepare my double latte. But for me, he made it triple, and he didn't think I knew. But I saw him flip the lever, and for me he made it triple. And I knew that triple latte meant that Taylor loved me too. I said, "What time are you playing? And thank you for the extra skim." He said, "Keep the 355 because this triple latte was on him." Taylor, the latte boy, bring me Java, bring me joy. Oh, Taylor, the latte boy, I love him, I love him, I love him. I used to be the kind of girl who'd run when love rushed toward her. But finally a voice whispered, "Love can be yours if you step up to the counter and order." Taylor, the latte boy, bring me Java, bring me joy. Oh, Taylor, the latte boy, I love him, I love him, I love him. So many years my heart has waited. Who'd have thought that love could be so captivating?